So today we're going to be converting Fahrenheit to Celsius in Rust, not in C. So we're gonna say use stdio. We're gonna say main. This will be our main function. We'll say let Fahrenheit input. We're gonna get the input, so we're gonna say string new. Then we're gonna print out, let's say type the Fahrenheit like this. Then we're gonna say iostd din. We're gonna say dot read line add mod Fahrenheit input. We're gonna say. Then we're gonna say expect dot expect. Let's say failed to read line. We're gonna say let Fahrenheit is F32. Then we're gonna say Fahrenheit. So what is here is that for example, like we can also say 6, like how much, like 8 6 no. So we over here I'm gonna say 32 right now. 16 no, we can't. F32 we'll say. Then we're gonna say Fahrenheit input trim input dot trim dot parse dot unwrap. We're gonna make this an integer. Celsius, let Celsius, we'll say Fahrenheit minus 32.0 divided by 1.8. We're gonna say println, then the Celsius is the Celsius. Yeah, so this Celsius is gonna represent this. So what we're gonna do is now run the program. We're gonna run the program. So we forgot about this over here. Type the Fahrenheit. We'll say 16. Yeah, whatever. 16, 27, or like 50, and the Celsius time. So you can even like add the U, like Celsius we'll say Celsius sign on keyboard. We'll say like this. We're gonna copy this, then paste it in here, like this. Yeah. Over here, as in the Fahrenheit, no, we don't need, I guess. The Celsius is the Celsius. So yeah, let's run this again. So we're gonna say 17. There we go, degrees Celsius. That's all. Yeah, you can put whatever Fahrenheit you want. that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching. Bye.